Hey, good morning everyone. We're going to take a break from the cars today and share with you a pork shoulder that we have in the smoker. Put it in about 4:30 this morning. But first, I just want to say what a great Sunday morning. Absolutely beautiful. Great weather here in Tucson, Arizona. It's absolutely gorgeous. So for the rub on this pork shoulder, we have a mix of brown sugar, salt, onion powder, a few other ingredients. It's just something I found on the internet, nothing I created. I'll put the link down below if you're interested in it. Well, it's the first time I've used it, so I'm not sure how it's going to turn out, but that's the rub for today. I use a apple cider vinegar mixed with water for spritzing, but nice spritz on it. Close it back up. Check it again in about an hour and a half, 2 hours. So before we wrap the pork shoulder, we're going to spritz it one more time. Good spritz all around. And then what we're going to do is wrap it, put it back in the smoker 4 to 5 hours, and then it should be ready to go, and we'll do a taste test then. Back, I just removed the shoulder from the smoker. 10 hours in total. What we're going to do is let it set for about 20 to 25 minutes, and then we'll see how it turned out. From the looks and feel of it, looks like it turned out extremely well. All right, everything's all done. We have a little bit of the pork pulled back for our pulled pork for our Easter Sunday dinner, and we'll give it a quick taste test. Oh, that's good. Nice, tender, moist. A little bit of hint of smoke. Some people smoke with apple. I used hickory today. 10 hours in the smoker total. Very good flavor. And then of course we have our baked mac and cheese, because this is what we have to do. Wishing everyone a happy Easter. Hope you have a wonderful weekend, and thanks for watching.